absorb it. Let your kidneys process it comfortably. Then continue drinking gradually throughout the morning. Robert changed his approach. Dizziness stopped, and he actually felt more hydrated throughout the day because his body was absorbing the water instead of flushing it through. Quick question before we hit mistake 3. How many of these are you making? Drop a number in the comments. 1, 2, 3, all 5. And if this is helping, hit subscribe. I share health tips for people over 60 every week. Mistake number 3. This one's controversial and I know I'll get comments. But hear me out. Drinking water before brushing your teeth. I learned this from my dentist friend, Dr. Chun. She's 62. Over lunch one day, she mentioned she never drinks water before brushing. I thought she was being paranoid. Then she explained what's happening in your mouth overnight. Changed everything. While you sleep, saliva production drops. Saliva is your mouth's defense system. Enzymes and antibodies that keep bacteria in check. But when saliva flow decreases at night, bacteria multiply. That fuzzy feeling on your teeth, coating on your tongue, morning breath? Bacterial party for 7 or 8 hours. What do most people do? Wake up thirsty, immediately drink water. What happens to those bacteria? You wash them straight into your digestive system, starting your day by introducing a massive bacterial load into your gut. For younger people with strong immune systems, maybe no problem. After 60, immune function isn't as strong. Your gut microbiome is dealing with changes from aging, medications, diet. Adding daily oral bacteria, first thing, contributes to digestive discomfort. Bloating affects gut health over time. In many Asian cultures, rinsing or brushing before consuming anything in the morning is standard. Not just oral hygiene. It's about not introducing unnecessary bacteria into your system. The fix: wake up, brush your teeth first, then drink water. Or at minimum, rinse your mouth thoroughly, swish, spit, then drink. Takes 2 extra minutes. I started a year ago. My morning digestion improved noticeably. Comment if you've been drinking before brushing. I want to know how many never thought about this. Mistake number 4. This can be dangerous if you're on medications. Pay attention. My Aunt Linda is 71. Blood pressure and cholesterol meds. Like many people her age. Started reading health trends online. Began adding apple cider vinegar to her morning water. Tablespoon in a glass, empty stomach. Good for metabolism, blood sugar, all sorts of things, right? Week 1, fine. Then burning in her chest. Heartburn worse than she'd ever felt. So bad she thought heart problems. Doctor figured it out fast. Apple cider vinegar on an empty stomach, irritating her esophagus and stomach lining. But another problem. Apple cider vinegar interacts with diuretics and blood pressure meds. Affects potassium levels. Doctor didn't know she was taking it because she thought it was harmless. This happens all the time. People add lemon juice, highly acidic. Dissolve vitamin C tablets in morning water. Mix in powders from online. Empty stomach, right before or after prescription medications. After 60, your stomach lining is more vulnerable. Many people already on medications affecting digestion. Adding acidic or active ingredients causes real problems. Medication absorption too. Some supplements interfere with blood pressure meds, thyroid meds, cholesterol meds. Timing matters. Take morning medication with water that has supplements in it. You might be affecting how well that medication works. The fix: morning medications, plain water, no additions, no supplements. Wait 30 minutes after medication before anything acidic, like lemon water or apple cider vinegar. Critical part: multiple medications. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist before adding any supplements to your morning routine, even harmless-seeming ones. Linda stopped the vinegar, plain water with meds. Heartburn resolved within days. On medications and adding things to morning water? Leave a comment. Could save someone's health. Final mistake. Number 5. 2 problems, same root cause. Thomas, 69. Follows rules religiously. Read 8 glasses of water a day. Every morning, forces down 2 glasses whether thirsty or not. Drinks by the clock, not by thirst. His sister Patricia, also 60s, opposite. Gets busy with morning routine. Reading news, making breakfast. Ignores thirst signs completely. Midday, realizes she's had almost nothing. Headaches, fatigue. Both making the same mistake. Not listening to their bodies. Tricky part about 60 plus. Thirst signals become less reliable. Research shows sensation of thirst diminishes with age. You might be moderately dehydrated without feeling thirsty. Patricia's problem. But forcing water when you're not thirsty and your body doesn't need it, especially with certain health conditions, also problematic. Thomas's issue. Heart or kidney problems. Overhydrating strains your system. Heart works harder pumping extra fluid. Kidneys process more than they can handle efficiently. Diuretics for blood pressure or heart failure. Carefully calibrated based on fluid intake. Suddenly forcing extra water because the internet said so. Working against your medication. Flip side. Chronic mild dehydration after 60, incredibly common. Causes problems people don't connect. Fatigue. Difficulty concentrating. Constipation. Dry skin. Headaches. Patricia experienced several, but never connected them to hydration because she didn't feel thirsty. The fix. Awareness and individualization. Check your urine color. Best indicator of hydration for most people. Pale yellow, like lemonade. Dark like apple juice. Need more water. Completely clear all the time. Might be drinking too much. Morning, after sleeping hours without fluid. First urination naturally darker. Normal. But after that first glass and you urinate mid-morning, check the color. Drink consistently but moderately throughout the morning. Don't save it for one big chug. Don't ignore subtle signs like feeling foggy or dry lips. Critically important. Heart disease, kidney disease, on diuretics or meds affecting fluid balance. Ask your doctor what your daily intake should be. No one size fits all, especially after 60. Thomas talked to his doctor. Mild heart failure meant monitoring fluid carefully, not unlimited amounts. Patricia set phone reminders, linked drinking to specific activities. After brushing teeth, while reading news. Both feel significantly better. Let's recap. 5 dangerous mistakes. Ice-cold water shocking your digestive system. Chugging large amounts overwhelming your kidneys. Drinking before cleaning your mouth. Introducing bacteria into your gut. Adding supplements without understanding interactions, especially with meds. Ignoring your body's signals for arbitrary rules or complete neglect. Every single one has a simple fix. Room temperature or warm water. Sip slowly over 15 to 20 minutes. Brush teeth first. Plain morning water with medications. Pay attention to your body while monitoring urine color. Margaret, my neighbor from the beginning, made these changes. Like getting her mornings back. Brain fog lifted. Bloating disappeared. Energy she hadn't felt in years. Not some expensive supplement or complicated intervention. Just drinking water the right way. Your body's remarkably resilient, but constantly giving feedback. Sometimes we just need to slow down and notice. Here's what I want you to do. Start tomorrow morning. Room temperature water. Slowly. After brushing. Pay attention. Give it 1 week. See how you feel. Come back to this video. Leave a comment telling me what changed. I read every comment. I want to hear your experience. Found this valuable? Learned something that'll improve your health? Hit that like button. Tells YouTube to share this with more people who need it. Subscribe because I create content specifically for people over 60 who want to stay healthy, energized, feel their best. Small changes create big results. Your body will thank you. See you in the next video.